Let my chance go by. A chance that you might love me. Okay, that's enough of that. Now, what we decided this little bathroom needed was an extractor fan, because this corner up here gets very damp and manky and mildewy and horrible. The bath is going to go in that position behind me, and this little bit of external wall just here, but obviously having an extractor fan over the bath is not allowed unless you have a low voltage extractor fan. So that was out. Then we looked at the window area above the window, but of course that contains a massive great lintel. So the only place left was this little space between what was the WC window and the bathroom window. So that's the site we chose. On this little job we've decided to put a extractor fan in a space between two PVC windows. Now, because I'm feeling a bit too lazy to go and get the ladder, I've decided to take this pane of double glazing out, which was fairly straightforward, and that will give us access to the outside of the building. Now, the next thing I'm going to need to do is cut a hole. This is actually outside, so I'm going to need to chop a hole through there. Doing it left-handed, guys. Okay, give up on that left-handed for a minute. That's the approximate position of the outside grille. Right, here we have some tube which was in the centre of a massive roll of carpet, and luckily it fits perfectly for this job. Well, there's our new fan working. It sounds very quiet. And the shutters are just opening now. So the advantage is that this kind of shutter, you don't have any backdrafts, and this one's just opening slowly as it warms up.
With a mains extractor fan, which I understand has a permanent live feed, you have to have an isolating switch. You can't just wire it straight into your lighting circuit, guys. You have to have an isolating switch. So that's what we got here, provided by our fully skilled and trained electrician. So we're all compliant there.
My heart is beating so, and anyone can tell. You think, oh, that'll do with that. Guys, thanks very much for watching. Hope you found that interesting. And if you'd like to subscribe to my channel, that'd be good. And you'll be able to see what else we get up to along the way.